My name is Laura, and I've been working with Ishira, and it's changing my life. Yeah, breath by breath, day by day. I've been working with her on the practitioner training, first of all with the earthing protocol, and that has really blown me away with the shifts that I've been a witness to and been holding space for with my clients and also within myself. Just as soon as I started working with the frequencies on my own body and then with other people, just my relationship to the earth is different. My relationship to a lot of healing happened within my own body about getting the right sleep and being more aware and also feeling the vibrations in things more with the tech. And we've got an earthing mat for our bed. And it's as if now that I've activated that part within me to really honor the physical body and what it needs, and understanding and being aware of what vibrations are having an effect on it. It's just I'm just sort of clearing up so many aspects of my life, and then being able to share that with others. And some of the breakthroughs really with clients have been amazing. I've had clients with lump tissue with a lump and no sound traveling through it when we began the treatment, and maybe 10 later they're starting to feel the sound in there, and there's been the lump started to be moving and getting smaller. um and I appreciate it's different for everybody, and there's no givens with this, but definitely these frequencies are offering a language to the cells, to the blood, to the bones, with the earthing course that is allowing the body to start shifting so much. And yeah, I felt so honored to be working with those, and then moving into working with the 18 forks and the solfeggio. That's blowing me away on a completely different level now. We're working with the auric field, and just, yes, just how powerful sound is. It's all around us at different times, and we're emitting these frequencies. And once we start feeding the body with the frequencies that help it to unlock more of its potential, it's amazing. Some of my clients now in the new case studies that I'm doing are describing feeling that they're out of their bodies, just floating. And this is real profound state of reset and healing, deep healing on so many levels. Also, clients, some seeing the sound in shapes and sacred geometry, feeling when I'm working on one area, a complete other side of them, sort of releasing something or shifting. So it's also knowing that sound, it just doesn't have an opinion or a judgment, or it's not connected to this world of words. It's just connected to helping you come back into balance, and working as well with the full 18 Zobe and getting to know these frequencies and seeing the different reactions within people. It's very humbling, and it's also just this deep sense of unity that I'm connecting with this work to sort of these ancient codes and frequencies that are around us, trying to help us reach our sort of real divine full potential. And just being able to work with Ishira has been such a gift, just a real gift. I met her maybe 7 or 8 years ago when she first showed me the 111 hertz in a frequency in a sound bath, and it was as if something activated within me, and a deep knowledge, an ancient knowledge within me wanted to start following these and exploring them more. And I worked with 3 of the frequencies in my own energy healing work for some years. But then last year, it was like a real strong calling, dreaming, lots of signs, to begin really learning more about this work and going on deeply onto the journey of working and training. And they're just such amazing tools, keys to unlocking so much rich potential within people, and helping people to realign, and then they're able to take care of their own needs once they're sort of connected back in, as it were. I'm so excited. I'm only halfway through the solfeggio at the moment, but each case study I have, there's a kind of new profound effect. And the only other similar feeling to this really is when first working with plant medicine some years ago, which I haven't felt called to return to. And this feels as powerful, if not more, because my whole perception of the world with each profound revelation that's happening for clients and myself when I'm working with the forks, is it changes your perception, your connection and relationship to the world and everything around you, because you're becoming attuned to frequency more. And we are vibrational beings, and that is just confirmed for me with this more and more as we start retuning the radio of us, just the fantastic potential. And in my own life, starting to manifest things in ways that I can't quite, my mind can't fathom, but it's because my vibration is shifting. And I really want to thank Ishira for that, because the way she teaches, it's beyond passion really. It's her life's, it's everything about her is she's dedicated her life to sonic practitioner work and sound, and the level of study that's gone into it, into the handbooks, into the videos. You're getting so much rich information, which is helping to really support everything that you're learning, so that when you're sharing that with people, you really have a complete grasp on the science of it, and also the spiritual, not even spiritual, but this vibrational magic that it is as well. You're fusing the two. And she's just been really there for me as well. Amazing. If I've ever got questions or things popping up through client sessions, she's just so enthusiastic about answering back and helping you and supporting you. So I felt fully supported throughout all of this, and yeah, I'm just loving it, absolutely loving it. I highly, with all my body and cells, recommend doing this work, and yeah, starting to dive into the practitioner training, because it's so life-changing and so needed now on planet Earth for everyone you come into contact with. Once your vibration starts changing, it's affecting everybody on that macrocosm and the microcosm level. Thanks very much.